Hi everyone. So welcome to Iconic Chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to explain one important topic, that is quantum numbers. This is from atomic structure topic. So any competitive examination, this is very important. So in this video, I am going to give simple technique how to find quantum numbers. Clear? Yeah. Listen very properly. There are four quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. These quantum number explains exact location of an electron. So if you look at structure of atom, center of atom nucleus is there. Nucleus built up of protons and neutrons, where electrons are circulates around the nucleus. So one important point to around the nucleus outwards, energy levels begin. So energy levels are there. So n equal to 1, first energy level, n equal to 2, second energy level, like that. Clear na? Yeah. So here you need to understand one important point. What quantum number explains? What quantum number gives? Quantum number gives complete information about an electron. So इधर चार quantum numbers होते स्टूडेंट्स, एक एक quantum number एक एक information देते. So easily हम discuss करेंगे. Clear ना? Okay. So finally quantum numbers क्या है information देते बोले तो electron बारे में information बोलते. So electron किधर present है? फर्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल है, सेकेंड एनर्जी लेवल है. अगर सेकेंड एनर्जी लेवल है तो कौन सा सबसेल में प्रेजेंट हो, एस सबसेल है, पी सबसेल है, ऐसा. अगर पी सबसेल है तो कौन सा ऑर्बिटल में प्रेजेंट हो, पी एक्स पी वाई या पी जेड, वो इंफॉर्मेशन देते. क्लियर ना? राइट स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलराइट. सो दिस इज द टेक्निक स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, देयर आर फोर क्वांटम नंबर्स. प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर शॉर्टकट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Next, azimuthal quantum number. This is also called angular momentum quantum number. Next, magnetic quantum number. Next, spin quantum number. Quantum number denoted by n. Azimuthal quantum number denoted by L. Magnetic quantum number denoted by M. Spin quantum number denoted by S. सो स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर हम ऐसा भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं एमएस, इसको हम ऐसा भी डिनोट कर सकते हैं एमएल. दैट्स नॉट ए बिग इशू. क्लियर? सो व्हाट प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर सेज? प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर टेल्स अबाउट शेल. प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर टेल्स अबाउट शेल बोले तो एनर्जी लेवल बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट अजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर एक्सप्लेन्स? अजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर एक्सप्लेन्स अबाउट सबसेल. व्हाट magnetic quantum number explains? Magnetic quantum number explains about orbital, orientation of orbital. What spin quantum number explains? Spin quantum number explains orientation of the electron. So देखो स्टूडेंट्स, कौन सा सेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है वो प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, कौन सा सबसेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट है वो अजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर बोलते हैं. कौन सा ऑर्बिटल प्रेजेंट है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन सा ऑर्बिटल में प्रेजेंट है वो मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर बोलते हैं. वो कौन सा इलेक्ट्रॉन है, पैरेलल स्पिन ना एंटी पैरेलल स्पिन ना, वो इंफॉर्मेशन स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर बोलते हैं. क्लियर ना? दैट इज द लॉजिक स्टूडेंट्स. सो लिसन वेरी प्रॉपर्ली. प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर डिनोटेड बाय n, it explains shell, which means it explains energy level of the electron. It explains energy level of electron. Next, azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number explains. It tells about subcell. Next, magnetic quantum number explains orientation of the orbital. It tells about orientation of electron. That's it स्टूडेंट्स. हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर एक्सप्लेन्स एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन और एनर्जी लेवल ऑफ ऑर्बिटल. सो नेक्स्ट, अजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सबसेल. अदरवाइज यू कैन से शेप ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल. ओके ना? इट कैन एक्सप्लेन्स शेप ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल. Next, magnetic quantum number explains the orientation of the orbital possibilities. Spin quantum number explains orientation of the electron. Electron only two possibilities, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Clear? Yeah. This is important. Shell, subcell, orbital, electron. Shell means principal quantum number, subcell means azimuthal quantum number, orbital means magnetic quantum number, electron means spin quantum number. Actually, that is important. Yeah. Next, very important point, principal quantum number. Principal quantum number denoted by n. N is nothing but integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. N never be zero. Zero कभी भी नहीं होते. N equal to 1 means first energy level. N equal to 2 means second energy level. N equal to 3 means third energy level. Like that. Clear na? Yeah. So here one formula is there. Orbit angular momentum. Orbit angular momentum. Orbit angular momentum formula mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. Here n is nothing but integer 1, 2, 3 and so on. Clear na? Sometimes in examination you will get question like this. 4p. What is the orbit angular momentum? Okay na? So here n equal to 4. That indication mvr equal to 4h by 2 pi. So 2 1s are 2 2s, which means 2h by pi is the answer. Sometimes they may ask like this. What is orbit angular momentum of 3D? So as usual, n equal to 3. So mvr equal to 3h by 2 pi. You can write like this also, 1.5 h by pi. Okay, that is also correct. This is about principal quantum number. Clear? Sometimes they will ask like that, maximum number of electrons in a given shell कितना आते हैं ऐसा पूछते हैं. Maximum number of electrons in a given shell. అట్లా అడిగాడు అంటే అక్కడ ऐसा पूछा तो this is the formula. 2n square. N is nothing but integer. Maximum number of orbitals in a given shell. अगर ऐसा पूछा तो this is the formula. Okay na? For example, n equal to 4. How many orbitals present? n equal to 4 दिया, how many orbitals present पूछा. Orbitals बोले तो n square formula. 4 square. 4 square means 16 orbitals possible. 16 orbitals means S, T, D, F. S means 1 orbital, everybody knows this logic. P means 3 orbitals. D means 5 orbitals. F means 7 orbitals. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Clear na? Yeah. So S means 1, P means 3. अगर तुम बॉक्स देखा तो भी समझ में होता है. S बोले तो सिंगल बॉक्स, P बोले तो ट्रिपल बॉक्स, D बोले तो 5 बॉक्सेस, F बोले तो 7 बॉक्सेस. क्लियर ना? नेक्स्ट टू अजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर. Azimuthal quantum number. This is also called angular momentum quantum number. Angular momentum quantum number. So azimuthal quantum number, it is denoted by L. There is a formula L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. Which means L value depends on n. This is important. L वैल्यू किसका ऊपर डिपेंड होता है? n का ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. अगर n इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स L इक्वल टू ओनली वन पॉसिबिलिटी, दैट इज 0. वाई? बिकॉज हियर n माइनस 1. n माइनस 1 मीन्स अगर तुम इसके साथ कंपेयर किया तो एक कम होते, n के साथ तो तुम कंपेयर किया तो L वैल्यू एक कम होते. सो अगर n इक्वल टू 2 मीन्स L पॉसिबिलिटीज 0, 1. n equal to 3 means L possibilities 0, 1, 2. n equal to 4 means L possibilities 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the possibilities. So here very important point is there, that is this one. Very much important. L equal to 0, L equal to 1, L equal to 2, L equal to 3. L equal to 0 means that is S subcell. L equal to 1 means that is P subcell. L equal to 2 means that is D subcell. L equal to 3 means that is F subcell. This is very important. Okay. What azimuthal contour number explains? It explains subcell, which means it explains the shape of the orbital. Clear? Okay. So this is about azimuthal contour number. Here sometimes they may ask orbital angular momentum. So this is the formula. Orbit is different to orbital is different. Orbital angular momentum. Orbital angular momentum equal to square root of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. This is the formula. Okay. Sometimes in examination they may ask like this. 2p. What is the orbital angular momentum? Sometimes 3d. What is the orbital angular momentum? So this is the formula. First n value, L value important. P means L value 1 now. D means L value 2. That's it. You just substitute. Square root of 1 into 1 plus 1 into h by 2 pi. Which means square root of 2 into 1. Root 2 h by 2 pi. Yeah, root 2 h by root 2 into root 2 pi. 2 बोले तो रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 वैल्यू 2, इसलिए मैं ऐसा लिखा, ठीक है ना। अगर तुम रूट 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं h by रूट 2 पाई, नहीं तो ऐसा भी छोड़ सकते हैं रूट 2 h by 2 पाई, and based on options, okay ना, based on options you can simplify. That's it. Next 3D. Square root of 2 into 2 plus 1 h by 2 pi. Which means root 2 into 3 h by 2 pi, which means root 6 h by 2 pi. This is the value. Clear na? So this is about orbital angular momentum. Have a look. 4s. L equal to 0. Which means square root of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. Which means 0 into 0 plus 1 h by 2 pi. Now 0 into anything 0. So what is the answer? 0. Clear? Yeah, these formulas are very important too. These formulas are very important. In a given subcell, number of orbitals 2l plus 1. This is the formula. Number of electrons 2 into 2l plus 1. Okay, na? For example, for a subcell is P subcell. How many orbitals present to how many electrons present? Tell me, P subcell, how many orbitals present to? L equal to 1. P means L equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, which means 3. 3 orbitals present. So each orbital, 3 orbitals means like that. Px, Py, Pz. So each orbital you can write 2 electrons. That means number of electrons 6. So orbitals equal to 3, electrons equal to 6. Simple logic. अगर D पूछा तो orbitals 5 होते हैं, electrons 10 होते हैं. Simple logic. Clear ना? Yeah, this is very important. Next, magnetic contour number. What magnetic contour number explains? Magnetic contour number explains orientation of the orbital. Orientation means just possibilities. Clear? So spatial orientation of the orbitals. Yeah, magnetic quantum number, shortcut representation. Magnetic quantum number represented by M or ML. There is one formula minus L2 plus L, which means M value depends on L value. Clear na? Yeah, this is very important too. If L equal to 0, M equal to 0. If L equal to 1, M equal to minus 1, 0 plus 1. If L equal to 2, M equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2. If L equal to 3, M equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Like that. Clear? Yeah, this is the way. This is very important. Okay? Here one important logic is there. The logic is if L equal to 1, M can't be plus or minus 2. If L equal to 2, m can't be plus or minus 3. बोले तो l वैल्यू 1 आया तो m वैल्यू 2 कभी भी नहीं होते. अगर l वैल्यू 2 बोले तो m वैल्यू कभी भी 3 नहीं होते. ओके ना, दैट इज द लॉजिक. क्यों बोले तो फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट माइनस l to plus l. Clear? This is very very important point. Next very very important point, generally pz equal to 0, px py equal to plus or minus 1, px equal to plus or minus 1, py equal to plus or minus 1. बोले तो जनरली ऐसा लेते, बट ये रूल तो नहीं. दिस इज py, दिस इज pz, दिस इज px minus 1 0 plus 1, बट वो रूल तो नहीं, जनरल ऐसा है. क्लियर ना. नेक्स्ट dx स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर dxy जनरली प्लस और माइनस 2 लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट dxz dyz प्लस और माइनस 1, dz स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. Next, last and final, spin contour number. Spin contour number very very simple. Spin contour number represented by s equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. S equal to plus 1 by 2 means this is the representation. S equal to minus 1 by 2 means this is the representation. This is clockwise and this one is anti-clockwise. So this one is clockwise, this one is anti-clockwise. This is parallel spin, this is anti-parallel spin. Spin ऐसा लिखा तो plus 1 by 2 उसका value, ऐसा लिखा तो उसका value minus 1 by 2. We need to find n plus l values, that's it. Later on we have to focus on quantum numbers. 3D, n is nothing but integer. Already I told you. D, l 2. So total n plus l value 3 plus 2 5. So based on n plus l values, we can find which one has more energy, which one has less energy. Clear? Yeah. Next, 4p, n value 4, l value 1. 5s, n value 5, l value 0. Right. Now we should focus on quantum numbers. How to find 4 quantum numbers? How to find 4 quantum numbers? Just have a look. So in examination they will ask like that. In examination they will ask like that. What are the 4 quantum numbers of? What are the 4 quantum numbers of last electron of lithium? So lithium last electron quantum numbers पूछा. तुम क्या करना बोले तो lithium atomic number लिखो 3, electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. So last electron किधर होते बोलो? Last electron बोले तो this is the last electron. Last electron present in 2s. So then L equal to L value 2. L value S means 0. L0 means M0. S value only first electron means generally we have to represent like that. What is the value of this one? Plus 1 by 2. So these are the quantum numbers. Lithium, last electron of lithium quantum numbers. Clear? Okay. So one more example for better understanding purpose. Sodium, last electron of sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. So last electron present in 3s. Then n equal to 3, L equal to 0. L0 means M0. Same first electron means plus 1 by 2. Same loss. This is the next question. What are the 4 quantum numbers of last electron of beryllium? So 2s2 means this is the representation. This is the first electron, this is the last electron. This is the last electron. Clear? Okay. Have a look. N equal to 2. L equal to 0, M equal to 0, S equal to minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this is the last electron. Last electron anti-parallel spin minus 1 by 2. Clear? Right. Now sometimes in examination they will ask like that. 2p5. Write 4 quantum numbers for 2p5. If they ask like that, how to find the answers? Simple, very simple as usual. N equal to 2. L equal to P means 1. M equal to formula is there, -1 0 plus 1. S equal to this is the last electron. Yeah, this is the representation. 2p5 means 1 2 3 4 5. This is the last electron. Last electron value -1/2. And one more important point, this is -1 0 plus 1. Take like that. Clear na? So exact M value means 0. So finally what are the values? 2 comma 1 comma 0 comma -1/2. So these are the 4 quantum numbers for 2p5. This is the way to find quantum numbers. Let's assume 3d1. So n equal to 3, l equal to 2, m equal to -2 -1 0 plus 1 plus 2. S equal to the 3d1 means first electron. First electron means definitely +1/2. Okay. 3d1 means this is the representation. This is the representation. -2 -1 0 plus 1 plus 2. Yeah. So exact value means -2. That's it. Clear na? So what are the quantum numbers for 3d1? No? 3 comma 2 comma -2 comma +1/2. So these are the quantum numbers for 3d1. This is the way to find quantum numbers. अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछो तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करना देखो. Which of the following is not possible? Not possible. N equal to 2, L equal to 1, M equal to 0. Possible or not possible? Possible. N equal to 2, L equal to 0, M equal to -1. What I told you, M value depends on L value. ऐसा बोला नहीं बोला? बोला ना? अरे L 0 बोले तो कंपलसरी M 0 होते ना, बट इधर -1 दिया. So this is not possible. N equal to 3, L, yeah, possible. This is so bang is not possible. Option B is not possible, whereas remaining 3 possible. Next, maximum number of electrons in an atom that can have the quantum numbers n equal to 4 and m equal to +1. So ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछो तो कैसे करना जरा देखो, अच्छे से देखो. So n वैल्यू दिया, L वैल्यू नहीं दिया, M वैल्यू दिया. That's it. n वैल्यू कितना दिया? 4 दिया. n वैल्यू 4 दिया. L values बोलो 0 1 2 3. These are the possibilities. L 0 means M 0. L equal to 1 means -1 0 plus 1. L equal to 2 means -2 -1 0 plus 1 plus 2. L equal to 3 means -3 -2 -1 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Yeah. So here we should focus on n and m only. Okay na? N and m. So mainly m equal to +1. इधर एक बार आया, इधर एक बार आया, इधर एक बार आया. So total कितना टाइम्स आया? 3 टाइम्स आया. बोले तो 3 boxes, which means 3 orbitals. Each orbital occupies 2 electrons. So 6 electrons. What is the answer? 6. अगर क्वेश्चन में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स इन एन एटम अगर ऐसा पूछो तो आंसर 3 होते. ऑर्बिटल्स पूछो तो 3 होते. अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पूछो इसलिए 6 हो गया. क्लियर? एक ऐसा करना देखो, ऐसा लिखना पहले. लिखने के बाद m वैल्यू हाईलाइट करो. m वैल्यू +1 इधर आया, इधर आया, इधर आया. ठीक है? दैट्स इट. ओके. ओके. अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछो तो कैसे करना देखो. हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल्स पॉसिबल फॉर फॉलोइंग क्वांटम नंबर्स? n equal to 3, l equal to 2, m equal to +2. How many orbitals possible? Simple logic. N value given, l value also given, m value given. N equal to 3. N equal to 3 means L possibilities 0, 1, 2. Okay na? But actually here L value is given na. So you should only focus on this one, don't focus on these 2 values. Clear? So L equal to 2 means -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. That's it. M also given. M +2 कितना बार आया? एक बार आया. So what is the answer? Only 1 orbital. How many orbitals possible? अगर क्वेश्चन में how many electrons तो पूछा तो how many electrons पूछा तो आंसर 2 होगा. Clear? That is the beauty. Next, maximum number of electrons in an atom that can have the quantum numbers n equal to 3, l equal to 1, m equal to 0. So maximum number of electrons पूछा. So n value given, l value given, m also given. n कितना? 3 दिया. L possibilities 0, 1, 2. But l equal to 1 given ना. That means you should only focus on this one. Don't focus on 0 and 2. Clear? So -1, 0, +1. M also given. m वैल्यू कितना 0. सो कितना बार आया m वैल्यू 0 एक बार आया. दैट इंडिकेशन एक बार बोले तो एक बार बोले तो एक बार बोले तो एक बार बोले तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिख सकते हैं 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके. अगर मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स पूछा तो इधर भी आंसर 1 होते, बट इधर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पूछा ना इसलिए 2 होते. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स पूछा तो 1 होते इधर भी, बट इधर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पूछा ना इसलिए बैंगलोर इज द राइट आंसर. क्लियर? दिस इज द लॉजिक. Next one small principle is there. Pauli's exclusion principle. This is also important. Pauli's exclusion principle. What this principle says? According to this principle, no two electrons in an atom. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. So according to this logic, maybe first 3 quantum numbers is similar, but last quantum number is different. Spin quantum number definitely different. Suppose I am going with one example, helium. Helium atomic number 2, which means 1s2. 1s2 means 2 electrons are there. 2 electrons are there. This is the first electron, and this one is the last electron. First electron quantum numbers. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन और सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन दोनों किधर प्रेजेंट है 1s में प्रेजेंट ना. दैट इज द लॉजिक. सो फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन क्वांटम नंबर्स देखो n l m s. नेक्स्ट सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन व्हिच मींस लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन. सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन व्हिच मींस लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन n l m s. सो व्हाट इज द n वैल्यू 1 here also 1. l value 0 here also 0. L0 means M0. S value first electron plus 1 by 2 clockwise. This is anti-clockwise minus 1 by 2. देखो students, first quantum number, second quantum number, third quantum number. 3 quantum numbers values same, but last one is different. This is Pauli's exclusion principle. Clear? So कौन सा भी एटम में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इक्वल क्वांटम नंबर्स नहीं आते. नया है ना, इक्वल तो नया है ना. 4 क्वांटम नंबर्स इक्वल नया है ना. ऐसा no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers same नहीं आते, 3 same आते. This is Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, some more problems on quantum numbers. Have a look. Find the number of electrons for which n equal to 2, m equal to 0, s equal to plus 1 by 2. So ये values दिया कितना electrons आते, ये quantum numbers values दिया कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉसिबल होते हैं बोल के पूछा. वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट्स. n वैल्यू गिवन, l वैल्यू नॉट गिवन, m वैल्यू गिवन. n वैल्यू 2. n वैल्यू 2 means l वैल्यू पॉसिबिलिटीज 0 1. l 0 means m equal to 0. l equal to 1 means m equal to minus 1, 0 plus 1. So here m value 0 given, we should highlight 0. m वैल्यू गिवन ना, वो शुड हाईलाइट 0. m वैल्यू 0 इधर एक बार आया, इधर भी एक बार आया. क्लियर ना? सो विच मीन्स here 0 means 1 orbital, here 0 means 1 orbital, total 2 orbitals. 2 orbitals means maximum 4 electrons. 2 orbitals में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिख सकते हैं? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिख सकते हैं. बट s वैल्यू दिया ना, s वैल्यू नहीं दिया तो आंसर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. बट s वैल्यू प्लस 1 by 2. So s values, so 2 values are there, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, which means total 4 electrons possible. Out of 4 electrons, s equal to minus 1 by 2, 2 electrons, and s equal to plus 1 by 2, 2 electrons. So here answer is 2 electrons. What is the answer for this question? Answer for first question is 2 electrons. That's it. This is the way. Okay. Next, find the number of electrons for which n equal to 3, s equal to plus 1 by 2. N equal to 3. N equal to 3 number of electrons. So this is the formula. 2n square. 2n square means 2 into 3 square, which means 2 into 9, which means 18 electrons. Total 18 electrons. But out of 18, s value plus 1 by 2. Only 50%. That's the reason answer is 9 electrons. 9 electrons. If s is not given, answer is 18 electrons. S equal to plus 1 by 2 means 9 electrons. Yeah. Next one. Find the number of electrons for which n equal to 3 and mod m equal to 1. So this is important students. Mod m is nothing but plus or minus 1. Plus 1 ले सकते, minus 1 ले सकते. Clear? N value given, L value not given, m value given. N equal to 3 means these are the possibilities 0, 1, 2. L equal to 0 means m equal to 0. L equal to 1 means m equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1. This is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. We should highlight plus 1 or minus 1. We should highlight plus 1 and minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many orbitals? 4 orbitals. 4 orbitals means 8 electrons. So what is the answer, students? This is the answer, 8 electrons. So find the number of electrons for which n equal to 3 and mod m equal to 1, 8 electrons. Next, orbital having 3 angular nodes and 2 total number of nodes. So which one contain 3 angular nodes and 3 total number of nodes? This is very simple. Angular node formula is L, and total number of nodes formula equal to n minus 1. That's it. Total number of nodes formula n minus 1. No? Angular node formula L, total number of nodes formula n minus 1. Clear? So orbital having 3 angular nodes. Angular node, 3 angular node. 3 L value 3 means definitely that is F orbital. Okay. Next to total number of nodes. Total number of nodes n minus 1. Yeah, this is the answer. C is the answer. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. अगर तो ये असल एंगुलर नोड समझ में होते, एंगुलर नोड बोले तो L वैल्यू 3 बोले तो किसको होते, इसको होते. दैट इज द आंसर. क्लियर ना? ओके ना? नेक्स्ट टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड्स 3. बराबर है ना? 4 minus 1 means 3. टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड्स 3 आए, एंगुलर नोड 3 आए. सेट हो गया ना? दिस इज द वे टू फाइंड आंसर. Carry on.